In this video, we find out how to use packages in R. R is a program for quantitative analysis. One reason R is so powerful and popular is that you can download additional functionality for free. This is done in packages. So each package adds new functionality. You only have to install packages if you need the functions in them. Either you find out about the function you want to use it, or you find code, say from a tutorial, and you get an error because the function isn't available. To use a package, first you have to install it. You can use install packages, where you put the package name in quotes. You might be asked to pick a mirror, normally you want the closest one. In RStudio there's a menu where you simply type the package name. Once the package is installed, you use library with a package name. Typically you want to do this at the beginning of the code. After that you can use all the functions from the package just like any built-in one. Installing puts a copy on your computer. Library is used to tell R you want to use a particular package. So installing you normally do once, library used in every code where you wish to use the package. How do you know that you need a package? You may want to use a special function you know is available in a package, like you wish to use the function stanglm for a Bayesian regression analysis. You may use RStudio and it tells you that a package is not installed, like this. In my experience, clicking on the yellow bar doesn't always work though. Or your code might not work, you get an error that a function was not found. This can happen, for example, with code you find on the internet or code you have used on a different machine. The most common case in my experience though is simply that the library was not loaded. In that case, you just use library and the package name. It's possible that a package replaces a function, and if you use many packages in your code, it's possible that this even breaks your code. R uses the last version loaded and actually tells you so in the console. But you can be specific. Package, : function. Some recommend this all the time. Your code will be safer, but also perhaps a bit cluttered and harder to read. Packages get updated, but updates are only installed when you ask R to do so. Update packages is normally all you need. Update from time to time to benefit from bug fixes, faster code or new functionality. In RStudio, there's a menu. So now you're ready to enjoy the power of packages in R.